Hello everyone, Erica from ericarock.com, and today I would like to bring you on a short guided meditation to meet one of your power animals, your animal totems. And for many of us, we have more than one animal totem, power animal, as a part of our God team, as a part of our spirit guides. But for the purposes of today, we're just going to meet one of these sacred animals that typically they're with us. There's always one or a few animals that are with us from birth to transition to death. And then throughout our life journey, our spiritual journey, depending on where we're vibing at, where our frequency is at, what lessons we're learning, what gifts we're coming into, different power animals come in and out of our lives. Just like many different spirit guides come in and out. We usually have one or a few spirit guides that are with us for the duration, but there's many different masters, beings of the one true light, angelics, archangelics, elementals, that come in and out depending on where we are in our journey. So today, let's meet a power animal that is with you currently, or perhaps today is the sacred invitation for them to come into your life and start to teach you now and start to work with you now. So oftentimes, power animals, they're here for protection. They're here to share their wisdom. They're here to share their medicine with us. The energy that they carry within their lineage, their being, their form. And they work with us in dream state, they'll work with us in meditation, they'll work with us as we're walking out in nature. If you start to see a certain animal over and over, chances are that's the medicine you're receiving. So I have a ton of personal stories that I could share about all of this. I remember I moved to Arizona and I was hiking around White Tank Mountain that was near our house. And there's a portal at White Tank Mountain that a Native American guide appeared to me and he pointed up and he said, "That's the portal to the sky people." And this Native American guide would call my husband and I out to White Tank Mountain every so often and ask us to walk certain trails because he's no longer in a body. He was asking us permission to bring certain energies and frequencies of his people, the wisdom of his people, the ancient knowledge of his people, and the sacred medicine that he and his lineage carried to bring to that environment, to bring to the earth, the life of the earth. And he gifted my husband and I with various animal medicine, white buffalo medicine, white owl medicine, this beautiful white snake medicine. I was gifted scorpion medicine. In fact, my husband and I were both gifted scorpion medicine. And it was just like a really wild journey. And as I looked up what each of these animals represented, the medicine that they carry and the lessons and what they come to teach made perfect sense for where I was in my life at the time. So I ask you to come into this little meditation with an open heart, an open mind, and a willingness to trust that which you receive today, that which you see, that which you feel, and that which you experience. So without further ado, let's get started. So I invite you to just simply come and sit with me, get still, open your palms to the sky, close your eyes, And take some nice, long, slow, deep breaths into your body, bringing yourself into the here and now. And we're setting the intention that we take this sacred pilgrimage today to meet one of our animal allies, power animals, animal totems. And that we will receive the medicine that is for our highest and best, for the level of consciousness, vibration, and the journey that we are currently on and walking deeper into. So with eyes closed, begin to see, feel, allow, imagine a portal of light opening in your space before you. And this portal of light spins in a clockwise manner. And as it spins, you become magnetically drawn to this portal. There's a feeling of safety, of warmth, of love, of peace, of homecoming with this portal of light. There's a familiarity with this portal of light. And the portal becomes more brilliant, the light more illuminating, begins to vibrate, pulsate. And I want you to step through this portal of light now. And as you step through this portal of light, it's like you're on a slide, sliding down right to left, up and down. And you can see a light at the end of this tunnel that's even more brilliant, more illuminating. There's so much love coming from this light at the end of this tunnel. And I'm going to count down from 3 to 1. And when we get to 1, you're going to find yourself on the other side of this portal. 3, 2, and 1. You step forward and you find yourself in a green meadow. There's a big circular open space in the middle with trees and bushes and flowers and plants and herbs all around the perimeter of this circle. The sun is shining down, it's warm. You feel connected, coherent, balanced, open in this place. And I invite you to sit in the center of this circle, sit in the center of this green meadow, and take your hands and place them on the grass. And as you do, you become one with Gaia, with Mother Earth, your heart beating with Gaia's in unison. And now from the tall bushes and behind the trees in front of you, you'll start to see a form take shape, walking or slithering or flying towards you. This is your power animal revealing itself from the forest, from the bushes, the trees. and it begins to walk towards you. It's feeling friendly, loving, supportive. It wants to serve you. It wants to share its knowledge, its wisdom, its energy, its mastery, its protection, and its medicine with you. So now, this power animal is right in front of you. You can see it clearly. It gazes into your eyes. And again, there's that feeling of familiarity. Like you felt this coming for a while. And now, this magic is being revealed to you. As you gaze into the eyes of this animal, ask it what its name is. And once you receive its name, ask it why it has chosen to show up into your life today. What is the medicine that it wishes to share? What is the wisdom, the knowledge, the lesson that it wishes to share with you? As it has chosen to assist you on your earth walk and your spiritual journey at this time. Ask for clarity around the magic that you will make together, what you will co-create together. And trust what you receive. Thank this animal for meeting you today, for introducing itself to you today, and for the work that you will do together now and in the future. Honor this animal. And as you do, this animal is going to come up very, 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 very close to you physically, as it will curl up in its own unique way on your lap. And as it does, the spirit of this animal will merge and unify with you and your energy. Call upon this animal often. Ask to work with this animal in meditation while you're out in nature, in your dream time. Pardon me. And any other time you feel that you need extra support, guidance, protection. And so now that you have merged with your power animal, begin to see, feel, allow, imagine yourself coming back through the portal, back into the room you're in, and back fully and completely into your body. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. And as I said in the beginning, there's many of you that have many power animals that are working with you consciously or unconsciously. So by all means, take this journey again and meet all of your power animals simultaneously at once if you feel you're ready for that. I didn't want to overwhelm anyone for those that maybe this is like a brand new experience. So if you want to, if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. And if you want to share your experience of what animals showed up, their name, what they're here to help you with, I'd love to hear it. I had a huge spider, a black, huge spider show up. And it said that it's here to help me get over any and all remaining fears that I have in regards to all aspects of my life, aspects of my being, the work that I came here to share. And so it's to help me with confidence and self-trust, self-love, certainty, clarity, and to live in love. So that's what happened for me. And when I saw the spider, I was really, really surprised, especially at the size of it, because it was like 5 feet. It was like the size of me. And when it came up to kind of cuddle in my lap, how the spider did that was so cute. I had legs all over me, legs up over my shoulders, around my back, around my waist, and with this just loving embrace that you would never perhaps expect from a 5.5 foot tall, furry black spider with the kindest, most loving eyes I have ever seen. So I'd love to hear what your experience is. If you know someone that could benefit from this video, please share it with them. I always appreciate that. So until next time, all of my love and take care.